Dropshipping is one of the most profitable businesses these days. Although it does not need a lot of money to start, and you just need to create an account on an econ site and start selling. But you do need a lot of hard work in hunting winning products that can make you maximum profits. To make it easier for you, we have brought a list of 3 products you can start selling now. But before we start, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like our content and subscribe to our channel for more informational videos. So let's get started. Snuffle Dog Ball. Pet owners love to collect toys for their cute little animals to make their time enjoyable. These toys keep them good company, especially when there is only one pet. In recent times, there has been a constant trend of sales of these pet toys, and you can easily make a sizable profit selling any of them. Although there are plenty of options available to choose from, we are especially talking about the Snuffle Dog Ball. This Snuffle Dog Ball is an innovative toy for the dogs that is similar to the puzzle games and uses smell to stimulate the dog's brain as they search through every corner for food. The inventors claim this stimulating ability is somewhat similar to learning a new trick and can increase the IQ of pet over time. As the toy enhances brain activity, it helps to keep your dog energetic and entertained for a long time. So now let's scroll and see, this product is selling with $24.99 and product cost is $7.87. So profit margin is $17.12. So right along the prices and costs, you can see the saturation inspector, and total stores selling this product are 7. Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yiba LED Fox Mask. The next on the list we have LED Fox Mask. People love to decorate their places with unique things that not only look great but add an element of style. As everyone wants to collect different decorative objects, so why not use this pain point to make some money? This LED Fox mask is not just a product but a symbol of strength that one can either use to elevate your home decor or wear it to a part to create a unique and amazing look. These wear resistant masks can also be gifted to someone. As they come with an adjustable head strap, anyone from children to adults can wear them easily. So now let's move towards the main portion, and here you can see this product is selling with $25.95 and product cost is $10.79 and your profit margin will be $15.25. And in saturation inspector you can see total stores selling these products are 7. Children LED projection learning drawing board. On number 1 we have children LED projection learning drawing board. Children's products are always in business. People continuously search for cute and fun toys for kids. And what's more fun than drawing and tracing? These drawing boards help children to learn easy drawings. They can easily start tracing objects with the help of pre-printed images that come with the board. And what's more fun than drawing and tracing? These drawing boards help children to learn easy drawings. They can easily start tracing objects with the help of pre-printed images that come with the board. These images act as a guide for children to make tracing easier for them. They just have to turn off the lights, switch it on, insert an image, and start drawing. So this product is selling with $29.40 and product cost is, you can see, $13.40. So your profit margin will be $16. So now let's move to the saturation inspector, and here you can see the total stores selling these products are 37. This was our today's list of top 3 winning products you can sell to make a handsome amount of money, but keep in mind it's not that simple. You need to put in proper time and effort to find the products with fewer costs and always buy from the sellers with good reviews. Which one of the product would you like to sell? Do let us know in comment section and keep watching for more videos.